Fox Focus. A few minutes for a closer look.
Hello there, and welcome to another edition of Case or No Case here on Fox Focus. I'm Andrea Williams, and we are being joined by my friend Jeff Pitman, who is an attorney at PKSD Law Firm. How are you, Jeff?
I'm doing wonderful. How are you?
I'm doing well. Always good to see you. And you're always here to test just how well we know the law. So what do you have for us today?
Okay, so summertime, barbecues, a friend invites you over to a barbecue. So it's a beautiful day out and you decide to take your motorcycle over there. Okay. And so you have a few drinks while you're there. You leave to go home. And as you're driving along, you're in the right lane and a car, which is in the left lane, speeds up ahead of you and cuts you off in order to make a right-hand turn. You think there's going to be a collision, and so you end up dropping your bike and sliding along the pavement, and you suffer a broken leg as a result of that. So, case or no case against the driver under that scenario?
I can honestly say I don't know, but I will take a guess and say that there is no case.
Right. That is not a case that we would pursue. If you've had some drinks, right, and you're involved in a crash, it's very hard to prove that anybody is not responsible for an accident if they've had a few drinks. Even if you pass a breathalyzer test, it just makes it very, very difficult to pursue a claim if you're drinking and driving, regardless of how much alcohol that you had. So in that scenario, we would not pursue a case.
Very interesting indeed. Thank you so much. And keep in mind that the attorneys at PKSD are there to help. Just dial the threes, 333-3333 for the PKSD guarantee.
Interested in appearing on Fox Focus? Email us at foxfocus@fox6now.com.